used to do if I was your woman, the things I do to you. But I'm not, so I can't and I won't. But if I was your girl,
Alrighty guys, so it is the next day, and as you can see, I'm going ahead and cutting the lace. Now I do show you guys this in each of my videos just for the people that don't know how to cut their lace. Now if you guys want a talk through video on this, I can do that for you guys. Just leave your comments down below. I feel like this is really important, especially because once you cut the lace and if you mess it up, the hair is not going to grow back. So it's a really nice technique that you should learn. I usually like to use like those little baby scissors, or I'll use the eyebrow blade, but for today's video I use the baby scissors, which works perfectly fine. Now this unit guys is absolutely gorgeous. Thank you AF Sister Wigs for sending me this unit. Now I did see in a few comments that people said there was some concerns about the hair curling and stuff like that. I did actually experience that issue, so you guys will see me actually wear this hair 3 days in a row. I actually tried to curl it regularly with the curling wand, and then I'm going to show you guys how I use flexi rods to give it more of a buff look. So wait for it guys. So this is basically the day after. And you guys can see this wig is slayed to the gods. Like, look at the freaking hairline. Besides a little bit of that smudging, you know, you get from the bold hold. But this wig is slayed to the god. Like, the hairline looks flawless AF. So this wig for me is absolutely gorgeous. The color is beautiful. They did a really nice job. It's the same color payoff throughout the entire unit. And one very important thing that to notice on this wig is that the color did not bleed through. And most of the time with companies, if they're inexperienced with coloring hair, what will happen is that the lace will have a little bleed out. But this lace has not one drop of that red hair dye on it. It is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going in right now with the Duvoli wand curler, and I'm just going to curl it. I do feel like the curls didn't last that long. I did use the Got To Be Glue hairspray, and the hairspray worked, but I just felt like it needed a little bit more of an oomph, which I will show you guys in a minute.
you missing me, I'm missing you. Whenever we meet, we gonna get no sleep. I get to be together with you. It's fait accompli. We gonna get no sleep. You missing me, I'm missing you. Whenever we meet, we gonna get no sleep. I get to be together with you. It's fait accompli. We gonna get no sleep. Yeah.
Alrighty people, so I decided to go ahead and be a little bit extra, so I did go ahead and add some layers into this unit. I do like the length. The length is a true 24-inch length, but it just needed some layers, especially because I want to wear this in more of a curled form set. So I did go ahead and comb out the wand curls that I did, and you guys can see it's kind of like a nice loose wave look, but I'm looking for something more oomph. So that's why I'm going to actually go in and use flexi rods. Now I do have a video where I actually do flexi rods on my channel, and I'll actually leave that in the cards for you guys. If you guys want a more updated video when I kind of talk you guys through on how to do flexi rods, please leave your comments down below. It's pretty simple, but I just want to make sure that you guys know how to use it. I feel like, for instance, when you get a wig that's not going to be the best curling type of wig, flexi rods can definitely be your savior, especially if you have somewhere to go and you ain't got time to curl your hair. If you place the flexi rods correctly, it should come out right. Sometimes the back ones will be kind of loose, but all you have to do is just go in with your curl wand and touch the back up, which is very simple.
Show me how much you are missing me. I'll read between the lines and dodge your whole brain. Yeah. You missing me, I'm missing you. Whenever we meet, we gonna get no sleep. I get to be together with you. It's like all complete. We gonna get no sleep. You missing me, I'm missing you. Whenever we meet, we gonna get no sleep. I get to be together with you. It's like all complete. We gonna get no sleep. Yeah.
Look of this super pretty unit right here, guys. So this unit was sent to me from AFSISTERWIGs.com. So this unit came exactly the way that you guys see it. This is how you're gonna get it. So this unit is 24 inches long, guys. It is a nice kind of like cherry red color, burgundy red color. This is 180% density, and they did pre-pluck and pre-bleach this unit. Obviously, I showed you guys that I went a little extra with the bleaching just because I wanted to be really like scalpiana. So that's exactly what I did. If you watched my live yesterday, on Saturday, you guys saw me showing you the wig up close and everything. The wig is absolutely gorgeous, guys. They did an excellent job with the color, number one. There was no bleed out in the lace or anything like that, so it was a perfect color job. And just bleaching it, oh my gosh. The tweezing, I did not touch this hairline whatsoever. The tweezing game on this from this company is A1. So everything you need with this wig, color, pre-tweezing, pre-bleaching, it's already done for you, so you could just go ahead and order the wig and you're gonna get it just like this. Now, one thing about the unit, I did show you guys me curling it yesterday. I like the curl set that I did, but it didn't hold a really good curl. I did show you guys that I'm using the Got To Be Glue High Insta Hold hairspray. So some people use this to actually adhere the units down, which actually works pretty well, but I actually use this just to kind of keep the curls in place, which I thought was good. So what I did do last night, I did go in with some flexi rods to kind of give this hair a little bit of a buffer look. I wanted it to be like a little bit, well, buff in a way. I felt like the wig was a little flat. So I did go in with the shorter purple ones and then the longer purple ones. And I just kind of put at least like 8 of these in my head all the way around. And I felt like I did a great job. I always have issues with the back. The back ones never stay in. If you guys want to see a video on the flexi rods, I do have a video recorded on my channel. I'll probably just do an updated one anyways. But go ahead and click the card for that video. All in all, guys, I feel like this unit is very nice. The shedding on this one, I didn't really see that much shedding from this one. And with red hair, you're going to see shedding. It's going to be all over your floor. I didn't really receive any shedding with this one. One thing that I did do extra on this unit, guys, I went in and added layers because I felt like it was all one length, and it's 24 inches long, and that's pretty long. So I decided to go ahead and just cut some layers in it just to give me more of like a bouffant type of look. So let me know what you guys think. I really think that they did an excellent job with the color. This is probably going to be the best color from any company that I've seen thus far for this kind of like red, cherry red color. Now, one thing about it, like I said, the cap, they did a great job. There was no bleed out on the cap. The inner construction was not even touched by any color. So that's one thing I can appreciate, because myself, when I'm dyeing units, sometimes the lace will get bleed, some of the color bleed through the lace, which I freaking hate. I know there are methods I've seen on YouTube on how to get that out the lace, but with this company, you didn't have to worry about that because they didn't make no mistakes over here. I think they did a pretty good job with the tweezing. If you guys want to go in and do extra tweezing, it's up to you. But like I said, for the ones out there that are beginner wig wearers and you don't know how to tweeze or you don't know how to bleach or anything like that, just let the company do it. They got it, and they really were on point with this one, guys. So I will leave all the information down below per usual if you're interested in purchasing this unit from AFSISTERWIGS.com. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.